SEW Eurodrive is a new vendor for IAS, and we're proud to have them on it.
So SEW is a full motion control company. Essentially, we specialize in one of our key components, decentralized technology, which is basically combining all of our VFD technology, motor and servo drive technology with our gear motors as well. Some of the automation van componentry that we brought today demonstrates some of that.
So our MobiTrans technology here is a wireless charging and inductive charging technology, and this allows us to wirelessly charge AGVs and really anything else. So this demo here has two pieces to it. The one is it's a flying knife demo. So you can see as the conveyor belt rolls across here, this arrow follows it along very precisely. And this is very useful technology for lumber yards where you need to have a saw following very, very precisely this medium as it's moving along. Now the other side of this demo is stacker crane technology, which is big in warehouses. So you can have this technology that with its anti-sway can move a large stack of pallets back and forth and place new pallets on top of it. This demo shows off our decentralized technology. So you can see here there are demos with the inverter on the drive, with the inverter off of the drive, and we have here induction motors as well as servo motors, and then integrated servo motors with the drive and a gearbox all in one package.
This is our first visit from the SEW automation van, and it's available to take to our customers in the field. The technology that's here is hands-on, so let us know if we can come and bring it to your location. We're also going to have this for our Oktoberfest on October 3rd, so come to IAS and see the technology SEW has to offer.